Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about CHIEFTEC ProCube Mini case. So friends, CHIEFTEC introduced the new edition of highly successful match series CN01BOP. And friends, the CHIEFTEC ProCube Mini is a compact multifunctional cube case in ATX form factor while ensuring high flexibility for the component use. And friends, compatible with ATX PSU's dual slot GPU up to 320 mm in length, 3 into 3.5 inch HDD, 2 into 2.5 inch SSDs, and slimline ODD. And ProCube is the prime example of highly functional in compact dimensions. And friend, with the front panel design that elegantly combines mesh and brushed aluminium, the ProCube Mini will blend seamlessly in many environments, from the living room to home, office, and any corporate working environment. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.